In today's video, we are reviewing RocRow, a Ford DTF printer bundle. And the best part is its XP600 printhead that delivers super vibrant, ultra-sharp prints for custom shirts. I have provided the link to this DTF printer bundle in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now, if you've been thinking about starting your own t-shirt printing business, or you simply want to create custom designs at home, this RocRow L8058 DTF printer package is a powerful and beginner-friendly option. It's a 2026 upgraded model that prints with ultra-clear 2880 by 1440 dpi, which means your designs look crisp, detailed, and professional, even with small text and fine lines. It uses a CMYK plus white ink system, so your colors pop beautifully on both light and dark fabrics, and that's a huge win for custom clothing. Another big advantage is the speed, because RocRow claims this printer can print up to 200% faster compared to older models, helping you finish more orders in less time. And if you're worried about maintenance, this machine is designed to save time with automatic cleaning and a white ink mixing system, which helps reduce clogs and keeps your white ink flowing smoothly. It also comes with a smooth paper suction system, so the transfer film feeds nicely without wrinkles, warped edges, or annoying paper jams. One of my favorite things is the size, because it's compact and lightweight at around 16 pounds, so it doesn't take over your workspace like bigger printers, making it perfect for small rooms, home studios, and small business setups. The best part is this is not just a printer, because the bundle includes the key equipment like the powder shaker or dryer, plus important DTF consumables like inks, film, powder, and maintenance supplies, so you can start faster without buying everything separately. It works on a wide range of fabrics like cotton, polyester, denim, leather, and more, so you can print on t-shirts, hoodies, hats, bags, and even shoes. Overall, if you want clean prints, faster output, and an easier DTF workflow, this RocRow L8058 bundle is a smart investment. And again, check the link in the description below for the best price available.